Hello, myself Dr. Kiran Kumar, consultant pediatric pulmonology and intensive care at KIMS Cuddles, Kondapur. Today I will briefly discuss regarding care of asthmatic children during COVID infection. As we all know, asthma is a chronic inflammatory condition which affects the airways. It is usually characterized by episodes of coughing, breathing difficulty, noisy breathing and chest tightness. These children have intermittent exacerbation of symptoms which can be due to various causes including exposure to allergens, seasonal change or intermittent viral infections. Asthma is usually treated with inhaled medications which are of two types. One is controller medication which is used on a long term basis so that the inflammation is under control, and the second one is the reliever medications which are used during the acute symptom onset. As we all know, COVID-19 infection posed a great challenge to the healthcare infrastructure, and many children and adults with underlying disorders are especially at risk. So many of the parents have many queries regarding whether children with asthma are at increased risk of COVID infection and whether the severity varies compared to a normal children. As it is seen from the initial part of the pandemic, children with asthma are not at an increased risk of COVID-19 infection. Children whose symptoms are well controlled on controller medications are also not at increased risk of severe disease. Only a small proportion of children whose symptoms are not well controlled are at an increased risk of severe disease. So how can we prevent these children from getting COVID-19 infection? The principle remains the same. Social distancing, avoid outdoor activities, use a appropriate fit face mask, hand hygiene should be followed. Also, these children should use their control medications properly as prescribed by the pediatrician. Also, they should keep their room and surroundings clean. So, what to do if a child with asthma develops symptoms? It can be either COVID infection or it can be simple viral infection. As soon as the child develops symptoms, isolate the child. One caretaker should be with the child and get your child tested. And the management of child subsequently depends upon the severity of symptoms. If a child with asthma develops only upper respiratory symptoms like mild cough, running nose, low grade fever and there is no breathing difficulty, they can be managed at home. The management mainly includes providing adequate hydration, proper diet, symptomatic treatment including paracetamol for fever, and during this time the child should continue his controller medications as advised. If there is any danger signs including difficulty in breathing, chest wall retractions, fall in saturation and the general condition of the child is poor, then they should visit a nearby pediatrician. Some children may develop only increase in cough with no other danger signs. These children can also be managed at home. If the parents can monitor the child, saturation monitoring is available and there is an access to nearby healthcare facility. These children should be given MDA Asthalin 2 to 4 puff every 4 to 6 hourly, and they should monitor the child for chest wall retractions, respiratory rate and saturation. If the child is improving, then they can continue the medications for 24 to 48 hours. If the child doesn't improve, then they should seek medical care. And if a child develops breathing difficulty, then they should immediately seek medical care, and depending upon the severity of symptoms, the asthma exacerbation can be mild, moderate or severe. So in the hospital, children with mild to moderate exacerbation can be given initial treatment, and if they respond to the treatment, can be discharged on oral steroids. In children who doesn't respond and then children with severe exacerbation, they need to be admitted to the hospital and managed accordingly. Thank you.